The corona crisis is prompting the authorities in the Italian port of Venice to reconsider its mass tourism model. Up to 30 million people visited in 2018. Now the streets are empty.
Siamo andati da un estremo.
We've gone from one extreme to the other. Here, a few months ago, we couldn't even pass each other. Now it's deserted.
Adesso è vuoto.
There's a certain charm about the empty waterways and plazas, albeit of an eerie nature. But it's an enchantment that comes at a high cost to the city's businesses, especially for those who make their money directly from tourism. In the beginning we were talking about 1 to 2 months, then 3 to 4 months. Many talk about a resumption of activity at the beginning of next year. We see that the major movements are for February and March 2021. The city's reliance on mass tourism meant Venetians could barely pass each other on the street. They were overwhelmed by visitors, many whom arrived on vast cruise liners. Now they're thinking it's time to consider a softer model. This will be an opportunity to move towards intelligent tourism, with tourists who take the time to understand and get away from the frenetic tours of other times. It's a difficult move to make, but for now, admittedly under terrible circumstances, the streets belong to Venetians.